Recently GQ Men's Award 2024 हो गया and oh my god, I think some of the men really surprised me with their fashion looks जो कि unexpected था. जिन एक्टरों से उतना ज़्यादा high expectations नहीं था, they served us some real nice juicy fashion. Well, मैं शुरू करती हूँ with प्रतीक गांधी, है ना? You're shocked, right? प्रतीक गांधी and serving us some major fashion goals. Yes, he looked fabulous. उन्होंने एक sailor kind of a jacket पहना था with lot of golden buttons which was tucked in a white trouser. पूरा का पूरा white look था which he broke off with black shoes. काफ़ी chic और classy लग रहे थे. I totally loved the look. बहुत ही vintage vibe दे रहे थे. Along with him was seen Varun Dhawan, who was wearing this midnight blue blazer in suede along with a satin suede shirt in the same color and black bell bottom pants. वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा vintage vibe दे रहे थे. I think I somehow could relate to both the looks. I loved both the looks and I really loved what Gaurav Adarsh was wearing because he was seen wearing this jersey, beige and black striped t-shirt and a blazer on top of it. इतने chic लग रहे थे वो. I totally love people who can turn off cardigans and pullovers with blazers. Totally my style. So मुझे तो बहुत पसंद आया. And then Arjun Kapoor was seen in an all black look. मतलब head to toe blazer, shirt, pant, everything in black with a very beautiful pendant. क्योंकि उन्होंने shirt थोड़ा सा unbuttoned करके रखा था. I think that look also I totally loved. And then similarly Vicky Kaushal was seen very suave with that hairstyle of his, with that glares, with that very stylized version of a shirt and a jacket जो कि overlap था लेकिन it had a very interesting a pattern to it. It was not like a normal single breasted या double breasted blazer but something different, unique. तो मुझे तो काफ़ी पसंद आ रहा था with that mustache of his. I think totally he nailed the look. बहुत ही क्लीन लग रहे थे, बहुत फ्रेश लग रहे थे वो. एंड देन वी कुड सी कार्तिक आर्यन. वेल कार्तिक आर्यन मुझे थोड़े से शैबी लगे टू बी ऑनेस्ट. आई लाइक्ड व्हाट ही वोर. ही डॉन दिस ऑफ वाइट काइंड ऑफ एन आउटफिट, अ ब्लेजर एंड अ प्रिंटेड शर्ट विच आई रियली लाइक्ड. लेकिन जो उनके ट्राउजर्स थे ना वो थोड़े इल फिटेड थे. सो दैट इज वाई. एंड ऑल्सो हिज हेयर स्टाइल वॉज नॉट समहाउ कॉम्प्लीमेंटिंग द आउटफिट. तो मुझे कहीं ना कहीं वो अच्छा नहीं लगा उनका उतना लुक. एंड देन राजकुमार राव वॉज ऑल्सो सीन इन एन ऑल ब्लैक आउटफिट. ही वॉज वेयरिंग अ वेरी जेंटलमैन आउटफिट विद दिस नाइसली fitted tailored blazer. I mean, you can call it a suit which had really interesting cord piping detailing as a textured detailing on the blazer, and the blazer really had a very interesting cord piping technique to create that 3D texture, and I think I love that look of his. Well, recently मुझे उनके बहुत सारे looks पसंद आ रहे हैं राजकुमार राव के, and many of them won different awards in different categories. तो चलिए after the guys let's move on to the girls. Well, लड़कों ने मुझे ज़्यादा impress किया था, so I started off this video with the guys. And why do I have to talk about guys always at the end of the video? इसीलिए मैंने सोचा कि लड़कों के लिए ये वीडियो प्रायोरिटाइज होना चाहिए, तो I took the guys names first. So the girls now, पहली है श्रद्धा कपूर. I loved her small little black dress which was off shoulder. It had a very uneven hemline. आगे से छोटा, थोड़ा सा पीछे से लंबा था. It was looking nice with stockings and black and white knee-high boots. And उनका जो purse था, it was looking like this disco ball. It was from Jimmy Choo. Well, it's not my kind of style, but if you're going for a disco party, then I think this is your go-to outfit. And then we could see Tripti Dimri. She was donning this gown which was off shoulder, which had blush pink and black color polka detailing. It had a peplum detail in the waist and had a trail behind. मुझे पसंद नहीं आया. It was looking dated. I know she wanted to create this retro vibe with all that hairstyle and all, but somehow it was not working the magic for me. I really loved what Moni Roy wore. She wore this really sculpted 3D textured detailing which was there in the bodies of a garment. It was in a very beautiful champagne color which had thigh high slit and also a trail behind, translucent trail tha. And I love the fact that she played around instead of wearing something boring. And yeah, so that was something which I loved in Moni Roy. And then मुझे बहुत पसंद आया. And then I also loved what Karishma Tanna wore. She was giving us this major Miranda Priestley vibe where she was wearing this trench coat with the double breasted vest coat with tie and then nicely done hair and specs. I think she was looking like this totally boss lady. पूरी की पूरी boss lady vibe दे रही थी. And I think for a change I love that because it was also going with a persona. तो मुझे तो काफ़ी मज़ा आया उनको देख के. And I think you should experiment. Yeah, I mean, why should formals be boring? तो मुझे वो बहुत अच्छा लगा. And then was Nora Fatehi. Well, she was seen wearing this. She was looking like a disco ball herself because the whole entire garment was in silver. It had like a beautiful sweetheart neckline, off shoulder tha, and then it had like big disc like sequins all pullover in her bottom, and she was wearing gloves which had a lot of sequin and a lot of disc like detailing. I don't think so I quite connected with the garment. थोड़ा सा retro vintage vibe रखा था उन्होंने because of her hairstyle and all. I could imagine that she went with that kind of mood and lookbook, but somehow it didn't quite work the magic for us. So yeah, ये थे मेरे कुछ favorites and not so favorite outfits at the GQ Men's Awards 2024. आपको कौन सा outfit, किसका outfit सबसे अच्छा लगा? Do let us know in the comment section below. This is me Ishita signing off. Keep buzzing around Bazooka Reviews for all your latest information on film, fashion and entertainment.